We went for a walk at the park and played on the swings. Somebody passed down on the way back. I guess she can breathe through her nose again. And what's this here? What are you doing, kitty? Nobody will pet you? So you'll pet yourself? She is out cold. I guess I ought to get you. Pick you up. Look at those cheeks. Put you in your crib. You don't get a crick in your neck. Oh, look at the funky eye. He's still a little funky looking. There's Jackie. Hi, Jack. Are you checking out the baby? Don't wake her up.